Hey guys, welcome to the CarAudioCentre, and today we're going to be unboxing the Kenwood dnx7190dabs. Now this one comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It also has built-in Garmin navigation, which comes with 3 years free map updates. It's got Bluetooth, CD, DVD, USB, and a whole host of other features that you would like. This model has DAB radio built in as well. So we're going to get it open and show you everything that you'll get inside the box. So here's everything that you'll get with the dnx7190dabs. Starting from the left hand side, we've got the Kenwood wiring loom. On this model it's got dual USB, so you get 2 USB extension cables, your standard Kenwood microphone, GPS magnetic pad, as well as 2 stereo removal keys, your GPS antenna, as well as a manual pack. Now on this unit the cage comes on the unit, so what you have to do is slide it off and reverse it to put it back on when you do fit it into the car, and then you also get the finishing trim to go over the end. So that's everything that you'll get in the box with your dnx7190. If you do have any questions, please drop us a comment down below or contact us at the Nottingham Car Audio Centre, and we'll be happy to help you with any questions we can. Thank you.